If you didn't know, we are a DJ services company out of Columbia, Missouri. We serve an area that covers up to St. Louis and up to Kansas City, Missouri, and also all the way down to about Republic, Missouri, Lake of the Ozarks, Columbia, of course, Fulton, Jeff City, various cities around us. And we provide our wedding DJ clients with itinerary templates so that they can create their own wedding day, their wedding day. A lot of them don't have wedding planners or just don't know where to begin. And so we created this over 10 years and we've been improving it every year. And I'm just doing some updates here. At first, you'll have a brief explanation of what this template is, what the columns are, and also what our goal is, and some tips on the template. And this template is Word. It's a Word document with tables. So the columns here you'll see have time, event, notes, and song. The client enters the time that they expect. In this case, say this is only for reception, so they're just going to put the time for the ceremony. And that's not pertinent information if it's for reception. We have a template specifically for ceremonies, and we also give them this. But this is the reception template. And just so we can know the timing of what's going to go on during the wedding day, we ask the client to put their time of when they expect that certain event to happen. And of course, for the reception officially begins. Like I said, this is a traditional reception wedding day. You can add, delete. A lot of folks change the dances. Of course, some of them don't have wedding parties. Some of them don't have their mom anymore, their dad anymore. They won't have that dance, but they'll have a dance with maybe a brother, so on and so forth. And so I always ask them to modify the template to fit their day, how they envision it. And of course, a lot of folks don't do bouquet toss, they don't do garter tosses. So this helps out. And if you'd like a copy of this, we're giving it, we only give this to our clients. But if you are somebody who needs a template, I will place this on our page, our link in bio, so you can get it for yourself too. Thank you.